Hi YouTube family. Today I'm going to unbox the Axil SCX 10 DeadBolt. I have it in green, as you can see right here, but I don't have it in red. So I got myself a red one, and it is the normal typical Axil. See, as the red. Notice it says needed to complete, and it says nothing. So let's get unboxing and see what's inside. I love these things. They are my favorite micro crawler right now. I'm getting into some other crawlers, but as of right now, these ones are my favorite. So they have 3 different kinds. They have the Jeep, they have the S10 truck, and they have the DeadBolt. The DeadBolt comes in red and green, and the SCX 10 comes in gray and blue, and the Jeeps come in yellow and red. I mean yellow and white. So, oh yeah. Then you have the infamous worm gear in there, right here, which is really on this side, which is really unique to this crawler, because they say it's also used as a drag brake. So as it comes out, there's the DeadBolt. It's beautiful. Really, I didn't like these DeadBolts at first, but when they came out in the smaller scale, then I like it. So now I want to get me a big DeadBolt. They run about $275. Axil makes them. I don't have $275 to spend on that. In fact, I just got a felony, so I put my money down on a felony, and I'm getting the armored felony, and that is like the upgraded infraction. So stay tuned for the. I still got the infraction coming, unboxing, and now the felony. So those are going to be exciting. Comes with the charger, which this isn't a bad charger. I mean, you can get a better charger, but I mean, it takes a long time, but it's one of the better chargers that comes with the RTRs. You get the manual, and you get batteries for the charger, or for the controller, or the receiver, and you get a bag of links, extra links. You get an Allen wrench, and you get an extra clip, extra body clip, and you also get I think all these pieces are to extend your wheelbase, so that you can get a bigger wheelbase with that. And then the controller, the infamous controller, which I really like the controller because of all the time, I say it all the time, it's a one-hander. You can actually, its thumb's close enough to control it, and you have open it up here, turn it on. You have 3 different throttle speeds, 1, 2, and 3. You have all your other stuff, trim, and then you close it. And then let's get the DeadBolt out. So you have the one zip tie that holds it all together. Pull that out. You got the nice scenery background. So, well, let's get rid of the scenery background. So there she is. Look at that. So this comes with the bigger wheels like this, and on this one, check that one out. I went with a lot smaller wheels, and this one comes really high center of gravity. So on this one, if you notice, I lowered the center of gravity and put smaller rims on there, and man, does this thing control a lot better than this one. This one tends to tip over more, so, but that's just, you know, I really didn't want to do any mods to this one. I was going to do all the mods to this red one, is what I bought it for, and I still am. I'm going to change all the linkage to you know, metal links, and I got plans for the red one, but you know, my plans for the green one were just as good. I'll show you them side by side here in a second. Let me show you right now, side by side. So check it out. Scroll back a little bit, and you can see to the front end the difference. And the wheelbase actually looks wider on this one, but see that in this one. And then you got the side like that. So all in all, I like it, but you know, that's that one. It's not about that one, it's actually about this one. So let's adjust the camera here a little bit better. There we go. And now we can get inside. Take off the 2 pins, open it up, and we can see inside you have, it is a 1/24 scale. You have the AS1, where is it? Right under there. You have the AS1 servo and the AE6 ESC receiver combo, and it comes with a Dynamite 350 mAh 2S LiPo 7.4 battery, and it comes with the 4 AA's for the controller or the receiver, and it's got forward headlights, and it's got the a 2-year warranty if you send it in. It's got the bigger tires than the S10. Here's the S10. The tires are a little bit bigger on the DeadBolt than the S10, just a fraction bigger, but so that's about it. I mean, I really love this little crawler. This crawler is exceptional. I can't get over the detail on it. Comes with a little guy in there, and you can actually look, you can move his head so he can be like looking around. Yeah, so there you have it. And you see how much I like these things. Look at how many I got right there. Got a couple right there, huh? Anyways, so that's it, man. That's the unboxing of the DeadBolt, and thank you for watching. Please subscribe, stay safe out there, be good humans, and don't forget, this is RC PopPop signing out. Thank you.